By God, I think we've got it. And I am back with another Luvme Hair review. I am going to show you how I installed this brand new U-part wig. Three clips, 1, 2, 3 on the inside and 1 in the back, right there. And I'm gonna place it here. That tells me where my clip needs to go here. So I'm just gonna make sure that when I get my U part parted out, that it's enough, high enough for these clips to go where they need to go. Now we're gonna install this bad boy. I'm going to be wearing this this is only gonna be for about a day or so, and try to secure the back. So I have the clip lined just with my hairline right here, and I have just like a little bit of hair in front of it. Same on this side, I just kind of double check. And I've got it right where my hairline is right here. My hair is a totally different color than this wig. I am going to grab a glove